Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. David here. So this is going to be a short video. Gonna do the super clean giveaway winner. I'll do that in a little bit. Just want to do a little quick update right now. Working on something new. I don't want to really show too much about it. Also, I'm finishing up the tree branch carving. That came out pretty cool. So you'll see a couple more of those videos coming up soon. My Dremel 4300 had broke a little connector piece inside, contact connector, just a little tiny metal piece broke off. So I had ordered a new part for that, and that should be coming in a few days. So I'll try to get a video out for that to see how that comes out when I put it back together. Hopefully it will work good as new. So yeah, got my cut saw, doing some more carving, just hiding underneath here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go back inside. I'm gonna set up my laptop. So I'm gonna use a winner picker program with a TubeBuddy. So I'm gonna put in the keyword from the comments of the last video on the super clean giveaway, and we're going to find out who's the winner. So I'll record the computer screen and show it on here, and yeah, so good luck to everyone. We're going to get a winner real quick. I'll give a shout out to all the buddies out there, all the subscribers. Thank you very much for all the support, and yeah, let's go inside and pick a winner. All right. Alrighty guys, so we're here in my video details on the super clean giveaway video. So let me go over here to the TubeBuddy drop down menu and do the pick a winner. Alright, and I'm gonna put in the choose comments must contain keyword, put state and pick a winner, and it is PT Eddie. Alright, congratulations PT Eddie. You won the super clean giveaway. So send me your first and last name and your home address so I can get that box shipped to you of the 1 bottle of original super clean and 1 can of the super clean aerosol. Congratulations. That is awesome. So I'll get that information from you. Email it to me at Cleve's Backyard Woodworking @gmail.com, and that's it. You're the winner. Thanks everyone for entering. Please check out these videos popping up here, and until next time, I'll catch you later.